सोशल मीडिया के छिछोरे नहीं कर सकते.
In 23 and I met Shabana Azmi and I was there. Jubilee bani thi wahan pe, I was there with her and she's like, what are you making next? I said, making prison drama. I said, why do you guys make all these dark things? कुछ मजा बनाओ ना. I said, but this is fun, Shabana ji. She's looking at me going, हाँ मैं मारूंगी तुम्हें.
I'm not जानबूझ के try to say नहीं मैं तो ऐसा मीनिंगफुल सिनेमा करूँगा या मैं कमर्शियल नहीं. मुझे कमर्शियल सिनेमा बहुत पसंद है, मैं करूँगा ज़रूर अगर मुझे मौका मिलेगा.
एंड मैं तो बोलता हूँ 1000 बार इन डायरेक्टरों के साथ काम करने में मेरे को कोई घंटा फर्क नहीं पड़ता वो पिक्चर आए कि नहीं आए. मैं उस पिक्चर की वजह से इतना आगे बढ़ गया हूँ.
When I hear it from people, you should just post some pictures, yeah. You don't post anything. You should just do some good PR. And I do PR. उसके बाद भी कोई ज़्यादा फर्क दिखता नहीं है. Unless you are a part of a good project.
After making Udaan, suddenly the pressure on me for, oh my god, I'm, you know, like it's such a loud film and I'm making Lutera and I'm suddenly feeling like I've got Sonakshi and Ranveer in the film. They've both come off Dabang and Band Baja Bharat and oh shit, and I'm taking these stars and I'm making this art film and you know, so the pressure kind of got to me at that point in time.
Hello and welcome to OTT Play. This is Shubham Kulkarni and in conversation with me is Team Black Warrant. Welcome to OTT Play, you guys.
Thank you.
उसी फंबल के साथ पहले तो as a marketing gimmick it is amazing to have Sacred Games as the backing कि the show comes from the creators of Sacred Games but it also comes with the pressure, right? कि अब audience शायद उससे कुछ बड़ा सोचेंगे, उससे कुछ बड़ा मांगेंगे. How do you guys deal with that?
सेक्रेट गेम्स
क्रिएटर से पूछ लेते हैं. Nothing. अपना करो और फिर मतलब या तो मरो या तो भरो या जो भी. But no, honestly, I don't think there's no pressure on it. For me personally, I just feel that it's like everything you do is if you work hard enough on something and you work well enough and you have a great team around you and sort of like do it, you're working honestly, you're working well. It either works or it doesn't work, and that's it. You move on into the next one.
For you guys?
या सेम. इसमें क्या बोलना.
I think it was sorry. I mean, in the comparison, it's maybe one of the biggest motivators is to say that we're getting a chance to work, you know, in that continuity of creator and directors, and so it's exciting if anything.
तो जिस जादूगर ने सेक्रेट गेम्स बनाई है वही हमारे साथ भी काम कर रहा है.
बिल्कुल.
We are working with the
और
same
जादू फिर
magician.
से recreate हुआ है.
हाँ.
वो अभी शुक्र है.
But as creator, Vikram, when you make Black Warrant as a show, it's dark. There's the idea is in the violence. I was talking to Sudeep Sharma last week, and he told me how, with time, the genre has become more about the end is violence and not the consequence. How do you look at that?
Wow. Okay. Look, so the book and the source of all of this is the book, and I think the one thing that the book actually it does many things, but the book for me the first time I read it and then I sent it to Satyanshu to read it was very fascinating because it's giving you this very voyeuristic outsider's look into a jail. And it's not dark at all. The book itself is not dark. It's just, it's very entertaining, it's very engaging, it's almost fun. And there's like, you have these peaks that keep coming. You're like, it opens with the fact that Sunil met Sobraj for the very first time and he got him his job. You're like, this couldn't possibly have happened, but it did. Then you've got the Ranga Bella hanging situation. You're like, this could not possibly have happened this way it did, but it did. And you keep having hit after hit after hit, and you realize that that's the approach that when he's taken it to give you this really amazing sort of like peek into it. So you take that same amazing kind of like peek. So it's not really in the end of the day. So it's not about being dark. It's not about the violence. It's not about any of that. It's about a man's journey through Tihar, and as an extension of that, we as the audience give the audience this little peep of fly on the wall kind of like, you know, approach into it. So a lot of the stuff that, you know, is a byproduct of where you are, but that's not a principal lens, you know, with which we look at it.
That's amazing for you, Satyanshu.
Yeah, I mean, a couple of friends asked me early on when I started work, you just released Chintu ka birthday, why are you making black? Why are you writing black? And it's not dark at all, I think.
Charles ka birthday.
यार मैंने तो बोला हाँ, हर कहानी में एक बर्थडे होगा. So when I read the book, I really felt that it is actually we're using a workplace drama to tell the story of the world outside it. Like it was very clear. When you observe Tihad, you are observing us. You are observing humanity. You are observing the world. You are observing the politics and the power and the greed that we have, all of us. So it was actually using that setting to tell a story about us. And just to make sure that the audience is comfortable, we have a protagonist who looks like he's from us. वो अपने पड़ोसी के घर का बच्चा और तिहाड़ में काम कर रहा है. It feels like that. So I really feel that it is more empathetic and compassionate than dark. And it was a very conscious effort from the first week.
No, which we had in mind. I was like, it has to be fun. The show has to be fun. It can't be. It can't. If you go dark in the very beginning, then you're like, "Bhai, फिर आप कहाँ जाओगे?" But so I remember I was actually in Melbourne for the film festival in 23, and I met Shabana Azmi, and I was there. Jubilee बनी थी वहाँ पे, so I was there with her, and she's like, "What are you making next?" I said, "Making prison drama." I said, "Why do you guys make all these dark things? कुछ मजा बनाओ ना." I said, "But this is fun, Shabana ji." She's looking at me going, "हाँ, मतलब मारूंगी तुम्हें."
But that's the reaction, you know. Even my mom, when she saw the trailer, she was like, "Auric, itna violent." And then she saw the show with me, and she was happy about it.
Oh wow.
She was.
Lovely.
But that brings me to you guys, as actors. When a show like Black Warren comes to you, what is that one thing that excites you the most in the script? Him?
Of course. First page, written by Sudhanshu Singh, of course, was created by Vikram Aditya Motwani. Khat baat full stop.
Honest,
Period.
yeah, but beyond, of course, the excitement to work with an incredibly, I mean, versatile and like now, I mean, just impactful, insightful, dedicated, passionate filmmaker. The material itself really is fascinating. It's where do you get this kind of a perspective? It's based on real life. So it really is such a rare opportunity to find a world like this, find a perspective like this. So just very thankful to the casting office for reaching out, really.
That's amazing. For you guys?
For me, I mean, it's obviously him. It's the beginning, and then the character takes over, and that's just exciting. Yeah, and I'm just happy that he sees me in that light. I remember a little insight. Yeah, I remember after I knew that obviously I'm doing this because he called. I was talking to my manager, and he's like, first you played the actor in Jubilee, now he wants you to play a star.
Nice.
Good one.
That
For me, obviously, first is Sir, Vikram Sir, and then prison, obviously, because I know about policemen and a lot of people, but story of a jailer, अभी तक सुनी नहीं थी. और I was also interested कि हाँ same ही होंगे, but these are very different. And then the writing. When I read the first episode, second episode, and they were so engrossing, और उसके बाद पढ़ने में इतना मज़ा आ गया था. Literally, I can see the scenes. अच्छा ऐसा होगा. This is going to be there, and every word detailing was there because if it's just one word is written, तो पिछले word वो इतनी अच्छी writing थी आपको सारा उसके पीछे का सार खुद पढ़ने से ही पता चल रहा है. ज़्यादा खोजना नहीं पड़ रहा. So वो उसके बाद I was very interested to work with different directors when I got to know it. Let's see, because I've seen in Hollywood, they follow this pattern, but not in India. I think this is the first time, or for me, I think it's the first time so many directors.
Yeah.
So that was very interesting, and a personal growth because of so many directors. You get to know yourself more. So yeah.
That's true.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, I mean, for any serious actor, it's always the director. You know, he always looks at who's, you know, going to direct me. Because I think that's the first any actor will, you know, give the same answer for this question. But also, you know, I always wanted to work with Vikram. You know, everybody, all of us wanted to work with him. All the other actors want to work with him. Everyone wants to work with him. And this time, when we were, Kennedy was in Cannes, and I asked him, I said, he was sitting next to me that time, and I said, I need to work with you. So I was doing my, you know, bit.
That's how this happened.
I don't know. Then we were in Melbourne. He didn't tell me anything there that he was already in this,
He's very
thinking of
discreet.
this present drama, but he didn't tell me anything that, he's thinking of me or anything like that. But well, he thought of me. I'm very grateful. And that is that, यार. हर एक्टर यही बोलेगा ना, और क्या बोलेगा? यहाँ बैठकर डायरेक्टर ऊपर बैठा हुआ है. हम क्या बोलेंगे? नहीं, हम तो आ रहे हैं. तो वही बोलना है, और क्या बोलना है?
But I like how you're making your mini copy universe in a row. But then, जो frequency about the roles that you want to do is not that high. The gaps between the projects is very huge. There is also a film that's not released. How do you process that कि शायद मुझे wings में ज़्यादा बैठना है on the stage compared to on the stage?
See, I am an actor who doesn't take too much work. I
Okay.
get work every day. I get every single day. I have some or the other
But why
person
don't you?
calling me. नहीं, मेरे को नहीं करना यार. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ ऐसे.
हाँ.
I want to work with very select directors. I want to do something that I really want to do. I don't want to go on a set and feel, अरे यार, I should not have done it. Because I feel I give my 100% to whatever I am doing. For me, roles are not big or small, actors are. So I give my 100%, and I would only want to work with a director who also has, the same or even more equation. So मैं बड़ा खुश हूँ अपनी, मेरे को कोई शिकायत नहीं है ज़माने से, और मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि ठीक है, चल रहा है, and I'm peaking at the right time, I think. And I feel that, whatever happens in life, it happens for the best. Kennedy might not have released, but it has till now. But it has, I have learned so much from Kennedy. Because I was working with a genius called Anurag Kashyap. एंड मैं तो बोलता हूँ 1000 बार इन डायरेक्टरों के साथ काम करने में मेरे को कोई घंटा फर्क नहीं पड़ता वो पिक्चर आई कि नहीं आई. मैं उस पिक्चर की वजह से इतना आगे बढ़ गया हूँ. बिकॉज इफ एन एक्टर वर्क्स विद डायरेक्टर्स लाइक दीज, लाइक अनुराग, लाइक विक्रम, लाइक सो मेनी अदर इंटरेस्टिंग डायरेक्टर्स, इट ओनली एड्स टू योर क्राफ्ट. बिकॉज हम लोग, मैं तो, यू सी, दिस यंग एक्टर इज सिटिंग नेक्स्ट टू मी. His whole life he has spent in, a Prithvi Theatre.
Yes.
I have not spent my life in, among books and great films and all that. I learned it here. When I came, I was a terrible actor, and thank God I didn't do 50 films. फिर क्या होता? एक दिन मर जाओगे और बकवास 50 फिल्में की है जिंदगी में. उससे अच्छा मैंने 5, 6, 10 अच्छी फिल्में की हैं. So I feel that I am very, very, very grateful to God that He has given me opportunities to work with great directors, and I have learned with them, and they have been kind enough with me to kind of, I am learning while I am earning. So, it's not bad.
That's a good way of looking at it. But I love Kennedy, by the way. I have seen the film. I enjoyed it. That brings me to you.
जी.
अब मतलब your choices don't reflect the pressure that comes with the legacy. Tell me, कभी ऐसा नहीं होता someone advises you कि अरे ये क्यों कर रहे हो? Go to a commercial space maybe.
It, of course, मतलब होता है, but I don't think it's been on me actually. It's not actually इतना कि मैं नहीं कर रहा हूँ ऐसा. It's just that this is how life is happening. So I have not जानबूझ के try to say नहीं मैं तो ऐसा meaningful cinema करूँगा या मैं commercial नहीं. मुझे commercial cinema बहुत पसंद है, मैं करूँगा ज़रूर अगर मुझे मौका मिलेगा. I am really excited about stories. I want to facilitate and be a part of those stories that reach people, that can hopefully have some impact and connection with people and move people. And it's just so happened like this, honestly. इत्तेफाक से हुआ सब कुछ. So it's not some strategy of mine. And like I said, I'm very grateful that so quickly, like I remember with Vikram sir's, I wanted to meet him for the longest time, never happened. Jubilee released, I remember I sent a message on Instagram, just genuinely because I was so bowled over by how thorough and how beautiful and big, and everyone was brilliant in it. And just sent a sweet response saying thank you Zahan, and that was it. And uske baad no concept of anything. And then suddenly 8 months later there was a casting office call, and then there was, we started to work together. It was so random. Like there was no foresight to this stuff. And
No romantic build-up.
yeah, like it's just and I'm just very grateful that it's so random, because it's not the hand is not forced. So let's see where the next opportunity comes. I just hope that they can keep coming. The bar is being set very high. you
That's
know.
true, yes.
So let's see.
Fingers crossed.
Yes.
But Siddhant, I was reading an interview of yours where you were talking about how you took a break from social media
Right.
after Jubilee. Tell me, for an actor who has a following of maybe 70 lakh people following him, validating him, what does that break do to you? How do you come out of it?
Oh, I think you just set your priority and understand the reason that they are following you is because of your work that you've done or you're doing, and expecting and anticipating more from you in a way. There are some people who pull you down and don't think like that, but I'd like to believe otherwise. And so when this came, Charles came, and alongside also Freedom at Midnight came.
Yes.
So these were two really big characters, you know. It felt like two different skies, and I literally had, I think, 2.5 months for both to understand, and they're like history chapters, you know. And so the only way was to just disconnect from not just social media, from the world. So I had to just be in my own shell, in my own little room where I just work and create. That's why.
That's such a fantastic thing to do, actually. Yeah,
It
it's really great. In fact, I will also think something
Yeah.
interesting. Yeah. Yeah. I think
Detach
social
कर पाओ
media is
तो
like too
detach
much.
कर पाओ तो कर लोगे. That's the entire thing.
बिल्कुल वही तो गेम है.
वही game है. But Anurag and Paramveer, I was talking to Diya Mirza in the same room, and she told me how even after 20 years of being in the business, उनकी टीम ने उनको एक बार बोला था that you need to be visible. Where you need to be visible in front of tabs, social media accounts matter करते हैं, and that is difficult for young actors, as she said. Tell me, what is that for you guys? Like,
I'm from a theatre background. It's been 13 years almost. So I don't know what does visible literally mean, because मुझे तो 10 लोगों के
कि
सामने
आप
परफॉर्म
किसी
करने
सैलून से बाहर आ रहे हैं,
नहीं,
कहीं अंदर जा रहे हैं.
आई हैव नो आइडिया. मुझे 10 लोगों के सामने परफॉर्म करने की भी आदत है. मैंने 5 लोगों के सामने कमरे में बंद करके भी खुद को परफॉर्म किया है. मैंने 2 एक्टर के सामने भी परफॉर्म किया, और मैंने अभी इस शो के थ्रू आई गेस मिलियंस ऑफ पीपल के सामने भी किया. और मुझे बहुत डिफरेंस नहीं लगता है. सो आई एम रियली सॉरी, मैं ऐसे कह रहा हूँ. मैसेज बहुत आ रहे हैं, वो बहुत ओवरवेलमिंग है, बट मुझे लगता है कि अगर वो नहीं भी आएंगे तो भी ये 3, 4, 5 लोग जो हैं, इन्होंने कह दिया कि काम अच्छा है, तुम अच्छा कर रहे हो, मेरे लिए ऑनेस्टली इतना काफ़ी है. तो वो विजिबिलिटी से क्या हो जाएगा मुझे नहीं पता. मैं शायद डर के मारे उससे दूर रहता हूँ, वो भी हो सकता है. बट ऑनेस्टली जो मिल रहा है बहुत है, नहीं मिलेगा तो ये बहुत है.
क्या बात
क्या बात है.
क्या बात है.
So, in the beginning, I used to be like him only. Yeah, everybody will get to know. You just do good work, and people get to know.
Yeah.
The right people get to know. But now, when I hear it from people, you should just post some pictures. Yeah, you don't post anything. You should just do some good PR, and I do PR. उसके बाद भी कोई ज़्यादा फर्क दिखता नहीं है. Unless you are a part of a good project.
True.
That's very important.
That's true. Yes.
So, I think doing the promotions, PR at the right time is very important. वैसे आगे क्योंकि पवन मल्होत्रा, he is a very good friend of mine. So we always talk. वो मुझे बोलते हैं पुत्र PR जरूर करवा ली. तो मैं बोलता हूँ सर, लेकिन वो कह रहे थे you'll get to know it later कि क्या है. तो I used to be like him only. जो अभी जवाब दिया 2 साल पहले same answer. But I think visibility is important, and I feel social pressure also sometimes because my manager keeps on calling me, bro, post something. Where are you? Shoot. ये मेरे दोस्त मुझे कॉल करके बोलते हैं यार तू क्या शूट करा डाल तो दे. And right now, even when we are doing interviews, my team is outside taking pictures and all. मैं बोलता हूँ यार करना पड़ेगा ना, करते हैं. So it's like that, yeah.
Yeah, अंग्रेजी में एक कहावत है, nothing succeeds like success. ये सब बाकी चीज़ें जितनी भी है, it is important because there is so much pressure on these young actors. Even you know कि यार तू करता नहीं है ये नहीं, but I think at the end of the day, it's your work.
It is.
That will, you know, reflect. It will have its own implications, not how much you are doing. And this एक 1.5 साल पहले ये था ये कि जिसके कितने फॉलोअर्स है इंस्टाग्राम पे कितने ये वो बहुत हो रहा था बट आई थिंक इट्स नाउ स्लोली चेंजिंग बिकॉज दे आर रियलाइजिंग दैट बड़े बड़े OTT प्लेटफॉर्म्स चलाने हैं तो ये एक्टर ही कर सकते हैं ये वो सोशल मीडिया के
Influencers.
छिछोरे नहीं कर सकते
Only you can say that.
Well played.
But that brings me to you, Vikram. And Satyanshu. 15 years of Udaan. 15 years in the business.
Yes.
Now, when you guys look back, retrospect, do you guys regret a decision? Do you guys, how do you look at it? कि मैं शायद ये कर लेता या मैंने ये नहीं किया. Not with the film, totality. Okay.
5 minutes heads up.
I think it's a yeah. Look, there are everything's a mistake and then nothing's a mistake. I think there are no mistakes. Everything is a learning, is a steps towards kind of like I think discovering who you are at the end of the day. I think in the beginning we're like the pressure, for example, that I had, you know, and which I think I answered earlier also was the fact that after making Udaan, suddenly the pressure on me for oh my god, I'm you know like it's such a loud film and I'm making Lutera and I'm suddenly feeling like I've got Sonakshi and Ranveer in the film. They've both come off Dabang and Band Baja Bharat and oh shit, and I'm taking these stars and I'm making this art film and you know, so the pressure kind of got to me at that point in time, and it's taken me that many years to realize the fact that you cannot take the pressure of the previous thing to sort of like move on in life. You will make mistakes, and I think that if for me personally, the greatest learning has been that I'm not afraid to make mistakes anymore. I just feel that you go there and you sort of like do something. Galti ho gayi to ho gayi. You will figure it out and you won't make it afterwards. So that's kind of been, in a sense, my sort of approach. So yes, I can point out and saying, yaar, agar wo film mein wo karta, ye isme wo karta. So normally it's all hindsight here. It's all like, oh, I wish I had done this bit in that film. I wish I had done that in that film. I wish I hadn't cast so and so in that film. I wish I hadn't done that kind of stuff in that film. But honestly, in the end of the day, like yes, I can, and maybe they would have been better. And but nothing keeps me awake at night, quite honestly. And it's all just like it's all just steps towards kind of like who I am and who I hope to be going ahead.
That's amazing.
That's
For you, Satyanshu?
आई थिंक रिग्रेट कि काम बेटर हो सकता था वो तो रहना ही चाहिए. वो अगर नहीं होगा तो फिर तो कुछ गड़बड़ है ना. फिर तो हमारे अंदर कुछ करप्शन हो गया. तो वो रिग्रेट तो वो तो बहुत बेसिक है. तो एजिंग की तरह होना ही है. प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में और क्या कर सकते थे वैसे मैं कभी सोचता नहीं हूँ. मुझे लगता है कि इतना कुछ मिला है लाइफ में, मैं अभी इतना ग्रैटिट्यूड से फुर्सत मिले तो आदमी रिग्रेट पे जाए. रिग्रेट फ्रैंकली इस जर्नी में कभी अगर किसी के साथ गलत बिहेव कर दिया, कभी अगर इसमें इतना डूब गए कि अपने घर वालों को समय नहीं दे पाया, अगर वो रिग्रेट्स हैं. रिग्रेट एक्चुअली वो है कि वाज माय कंडक्ट फाइन. काम तो ठीक है, वो तो होगा ही. रिग्रेट वो तो ठीक है.
That's true.
क्या बात है.
Before I let you guys go, अपना लक ट्राई करना चाहूँगा. What can you tell me right now about Black Warren season 2? And what direction does it go?
What direction does it go?
Yeah.
कुछ मोटवानी डायरेक्शन.
The book is there.
आप किताब पढ़ लीजिए.
बहुत सारा बहुत किताब है. हमने we've not used the whole book. किताब पढ़ लीजिए.
ये वाला
Goes on Motwani direction.
With that, thank you so much for the conversation.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
And all the best for everything.
Thank you.